Got an HPI file to extend your Jenkins automation server? This plugin format adds powerful capabilities to your CI/CD pipeline. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install Jenkins plugins. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken HPI. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. A plugin package used by the Jenkins automation server to extend its functionality. These files contain all the necessary code, resources, and metadata for a specific plugin. Administrators install .HPI files to add new features, integrations with other tools, or custom-built steps to their CI/CD pipelines. An .HPI file is essentially a Java archive (JAR) file with a different extension following a specific directory structure. It contains compiled Java classes, dependency libraries, and configuration files like pom.xml. This design leverages the Java ecosystem for easy packaging and deployment within the Jenkins environment. The standard opener for HPI is known to be Jenkins, developed by CloudBees and the Jenkins community. Windows does not offer the necessary repair tools if the file header is damaged or malicious. Windows offers only a superficial view, so deeper understanding depends on the host software. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the HPI file and choose Open With. Start with Jenkins if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your HPI file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, installing via Plugin Manager. Access Jenkins Plugin Manager through Manage Jenkins, then Manage Plugins. Use the Advanced tab's Upload Plugin section to upload the HPI file directly. Jenkins processes the plugin installation and prompts for restart if required to activate the new functionality across the automation server. Next, browsing plugin repository. Browse the official Jenkins plugin repository through the Available tab in Plugin Manager. Search for plugins by name or category, select desired plugins, and click Install. Jenkins downloads and installs HPI files, automatically managing dependencies for streamlined plugin management workflows. Finally, managing plugin updates. Monitor plugin updates through Plugin Manager's Updates tab. Apply updates regularly to receive bug fixes, security patches, and new features. Test updates in non-production environments, first when running critical pipelines. Plugin compatibility matters for system stability across complex Jenkins automation infrastructure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.